well, I guess it was really last week that the Loud Crowd announced that they were going to be back. For those of you that don't know, the Loud Crowd is like the student organization within the student organization, fan group kind of. They hype up the crowds and stuff. So they took to Twitter and they said the leaders of our student section, the Bobcat crew, and the athletic department said it's only right to restore the traditions of the Loud Crowd. They're doing this because attendance basically everywhere is horrible. I have the attendance numbers from the last 12 years. So this is from the last year, 2022 to 2012. In 2012, total attendance for game day attendance at football games, 113,000. So a little over that for 6 games, right? This year, 2022, total attendance, 6 games, last year, SPAV, 105,000. So we've actually gotten kind of worse. Actually, the best year so far was, what is that? 2014, 123,000. So not great. Boys, what do you think?
Oh, it's like I said, I think it's just kind of epidemic for like where Texas State's at, considering like all their records. I was going over kind of how baseball's been doing since they've been kind of been like one of the better programs, and even just going through their attendance records, like even their attendance has been down. So it's I don't think it's just a Texas State problem. I do think it's I guess an athletic problem, like across not just at Texas State but also at UTSA, North Texas, right? So like just people like students are just not wanting to go to games, and